CleverFox Dotted Notebook combines maximum functionality, premium quality materials, and a convenient compact format, so you can journal comfortably wherever you are. It measures 5 by 8.25 inches to easily fit inside your bag or backpack and weighs only 0.6 pounds. The cover is made of durable vegan leather and features an elastic band, a pen loop, 3 ribbon bookmarks, and convenient lay-flat binding. Inside, you will also find an expandable back pocket for loose notes and a sheet of stickers for decorating your notebook. The journal includes 128 numbered dotted pages total, and the front page is for adding your name and contact details. The pages are made of thick 120 GSM pearl white paper that is bleed and smudge resistant. This way you can use your favorite writing and drawing utensils without the risk of them bleeding through. The dot grid is not too dark and has a 4mm distance between the dots, the best combination for effortless writing. We hope this notebook will help you stay creative, focused, and organized, making journaling easy and enjoyable. CleverFox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.